Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing of a luxury purchase that I picked up while I was in Paris from a brand called Tanneur. I'm really excited. So I wanted to pick up something from a brand that's been around for quite some time. I didn't want it to be the typical Chanel or Dior or Fendi or Hermes. Like, not that there's anything wrong with those brands. I think they're beautiful. I have pieces from them myself. I wanted to get something different while I was in Paris, especially for the first time. And I've been looking up brands that or houses that have been around for a long time. And Tanneur was one of them. And I thought, you know what? I liked the bags that they had. I liked what they offered. I love that the price point is reasonable, for especially for it to be luxury. I ended up going with a bag that's not too big, not too small, which is what I wanted. It's the Pia bag. It's a bag that I can do crossbody, put under the arm. It comes with 2 straps. You literally see I'm taking everything out right now. It is the softest leather. Softest leather. This bag is just, I love it. Like I said, it's not too big, it's not too small. The leather is buttery soft. Comes with this main strap here. I honestly haven't even taken this thing out since I came home. It also has this buckle here where the other strap is. You might hear my little one in the background. I'm literally home from off today and we're just having fun. He's playing for the time being. So we open up the bag like this. The flap opens and it has 2 magnetic pieces on the inside, so it closes really nicely, folds in really nicely, and then the inside of the bag has these 2 compartments. So much room, more than enough room in my opinion, which is great. It can hold my phone, it can hold my card holder, it can hold my keys, my wallet. This is the other bag that it comes with. I'll probably do another little video afterwards with the pieces on and just kind of me wearing it. But this piece literally straps on here, on the ends here. So I could really wear it directly under the arm if I don't want to do it as a crossbody. The hardware is beautiful. Everything about this bag is amazing. The price point for it was US in the 5s, which is, again, not so bad. But then when you add in taxes and things of that nature, I got it for so much less than that overseas. I highly recommend shopping overseas, especially in Europe, and then you get the back tax. So you get money back because you don't reside in the EU, so you'll get taxes back when you're shopping over there, as long as you spend over a certain amount. I didn't spend on this bag what I would have spent if I purchased it from the US and had it shipped over here, because they don't have stores in the US, and that was another reason that I wanted to purchase from Tanneur. This was the color I went with. They had it in black, they had it in tan, they had like this kind of blushy color, but I wanted something like this. It has, you can't really tell in the camera, but it's like has a little bit of a green hue to it, slightly olivey, which is something I like because I don't have anything like that. And I just love it. Okay. You hear him in the background. We're gonna go play now.